back with a quick video. I wanted to share with everyone how I store my rubber stamps. And this is a shelf that my husband made for me. And I thought let me start at the top. I thought that it was going to be large enough for all of my stamps, but I quickly outgrew the shelving unit. And he also put a few shelves at the bottom with kind of a little extra piece of trim so I could put some ribbon, and I quickly outgrew those two shelves as well. But I just love the shelf. You can see there's some holes. It's completely packed, but the holes are areas where I've used stamps and I just have not cleaned them and replaced them on the shelf. Let me back up a little bit and give you an overall. And it's just a nice way to display your stamps instead of having them thrown in a box in a drawer, which I do have some in a drawer in boxes. But these are the ones that I use mostly. And actually, the ones that I use quite often, I do make baby books, so I put those on the center shelf so I could get to those fairly quickly. And I just love this shelf. And on the top I do have, let me show you this. My husband and I like to go what we call treasure hunting. And I believe we're in Colorado Springs, if I'm not mistaken, at an antique mall. And he was gone forever, and I kept looking around thinking, where the heck is he? And then I found him. He was digging in this huge galvanized metal tub full of those Scrabble tiles. And that is what he picked out. So that's sweet. My husband's very romantic, and don't tell him I said that, but he made the shelf for me. I wanted to do a quick video and share it, and I do eventually hope to do a video of my craft room and how I organize and decorate and everything, but I am in the process of destashing and organizing, so that is coming at some point in the future. But let me know if you like this video. Thanks so much for watching.